A compound subject joined by "and" is generally plural and must have a plural verb. However, there are exceptions to the preceding rule. If the parts of the compound subject are thought of as one item, then a singular verb is required. For example, puto and dinuguan is my favorite. So puto and dinuguan in the sentence is considered as one item. Therefore, it must take singular verb. The next exception to the rule, a singular subject is required if the compound subject joined by "and" is preceded by the word "each" or by the word "every." Every girl and boy in the class cleans the room. So the compound subject girl and boy is preceded by the word "every." Therefore, you must say singular verb. That's why the verb in the sentence is cleans. A subject that comes after its verb must still agree with it in number. There are cases that the subject in the sentence is hard to find. For example, on the top of the mountain are the two hikers. This sentence is actually an example of an inverted sentence. And what do we mean by inverted sentence? It means that the subject comes after the verb. So if we're going to rearrange the words, the sentence would become, the two hikers are on the top of the mountain. So in this case, it is easier for you to identify the subject in the sentence. And what is the subject? Of course, the word hikers. So hikers is plural, therefore the verb must be plural also. Another example of inverted sentence is if the sentence begins with the word here or there. There is my mother. So we are going to rearrange the words, then it will become, my mother is there. So it is easier for us to identify the subject in the sentence once it is rearranged this way. So the subject in the sentence is mother, which is singular, therefore you must say singular verb. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the group it names acts as a single unit. However, it takes plural verb when the group it names acts as individuals with different points of view. The Adams family plans to go to Boracay this summer. The collective noun family requires singular verb because it is acting as one group or one unit, meaning all of the members of the family have the same plan, and that is to go to Boracay this summer. Therefore, you must take singular verb. Next example. The family have not yet decided which place to visit this summer. So the collective noun family requires plural verb because this refers to the individual members of the family who have different ideas.